Right, this is just a quick tutorial to show you how to set up your Facebook business page for the first time. You do need to have a personal Facebook account to be able to do this, but there is no connection between your personal Facebook page and your business Facebook page. So down the left-hand side of your Facebook page, you've got at the bottom, create ad page group event fundraiser. So we're just going to click on page. There we go. And you're given two options here. You can either do a business or a brand or community or public figure. Now, obviously, for your business, you would do this. So get started. Name your page. I'm just going to call this one testing 123. That's obviously going to be a business name. And then you have a category, which could be business. You start typing and it shows you business, service, butcher shop, apartment, etc. You will choose the one that fits your business the best. I'm going to put in, to start with, I'm going to put in business here, so as in business service. Now, if you put something in that seems to have a specific location, such as business service, it will ask for your address details, but then it gives you an option not to show your address. So don't show my address, only show the town, city and region this business is in. So if you are working from home, for instance, you would have to put your home address in, but then if you tick that box, it means that none of your details will actually be shown on the Facebook page, only the specific area or the region that you're in. I am going to change that to board game because I generally don't need to put my address details in. Here we go. Super. Right, so if I hit the continue button now, I've got a couple of options. Let's wait for the internet to catch up. The first one is to upload the profile picture. So the profile picture is the logo, whichever image you've chosen to represent your business, because this is the one that will appear next to the post in people's timelines on Facebook. All you need to do is to click upload a profile picture, and I'm just going to grab this for now, which is a slide I created for the thumbnails for my YouTube videos. There you go. So that now will upload, and that will be the image that people see every single time a post appears on their Facebook timeline. That's a good idea for that to be consistent throughout everything that you do, wherever it is, business cards, Facebook, Twitter, website, whatever, keep that image consistent. It's the one that people will recognize. The cover photo is the big photograph at the top of your Facebook page. You'll see these in situ in a minute. I'm going to do exactly the same. I'm just going to grab that. Might take a while to upload. Perfect. And now what we have, very simply, is a Facebook business page. Don't want to do that. Right. So there's the logo. The cover photo has not actually loaded in yet, but I would suggest, if you can, on your cover, have a video playing. If there's a way of getting a video as your cover photo, it's a great way of grabbing people's attention. Absolutely brilliant way of grabbing people's attention, but also Facebook really do love video at the moment. So any video content you put directly onto Facebook is going to get so much more attention from them than still images or links to YouTube. So if you are someone who uses YouTube a lot, my suggestion would be is to upload the video to YouTube, but don't copy the YouTube link onto Facebook. Take that same file you uploaded to YouTube and upload it directly to Facebook. It will get you a lot more attention. I'll probably do some more videos on that anyway. But essentially, that is your new business page. And all I need to do now is to go, hello, oops, can't spell today, and welcome to my page. For my smiley face in there, for my first post. Lovely. Not now. And that, very, very simply, is how you set up a Facebook page. It's flexible, it's simple, and it gives you a great place, particularly if you're business to consumer, a great place for you to really, really show off what you do. Well, I hope you found that useful. If you have, please give it a like. If you think someone else will find it useful, give it a share. And if you'd like to see more of this content, just click on the button that's floating around to the top screen at the moment so you can subscribe to the channel and be kept up to date with everything that I'm doing. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye-bye for now.